I am on the First Creek Trail. It's 1.5 miles and 300 feet in elevation gain. It's outside of the Red Rock Canyon loop, so you don't have to pay to get in. You just park along the highway. Let's get started. Blue, come on! We're a little over halfway to the waterfall. It's an easy trail, just a bunch of winding and curving. It's a trail that's easy to follow so far. If you are a beginner in hiking, this is a great trail for you to start out on. The views here are just gorgeous. Lots to see, lots to learn, lots of plants. I mentioned in my last video about the Seek app from iNaturalist. You can download that app before you come out here, take a picture of all the plants, and learn how to identify them. It would be a fun way to add to the hiking experience. Up here, you're gonna see a split. You're gonna come over here to the right. And we're pretty close to the end here. You hear that water? It's flowing good. Go, baby. Are you gonna let him get wet? Odin, this way on the trail. This way, baby. To get to the bottom of the water, up here you're at the top of the waterfall. To get down, you're gonna come to the right a little bit. And you're gonna go behind here. I'm sure there's another place to turn, but this is where we're turning right now. the waterfall. Are you ready to see? Odin. This is hike number 2 of, sorry, my hair's a little crazy. This is hike number 2 of the 52 hike challenge. I'm starting off with easy hikes. I'm going to go to moderate hikes and then more difficult hikes. This is a hike that almost everybody can do. You can bring children and people that just aren't used to hiking yet. This is a great trail to start off on, especially if you want to get used to climbing over rocks and going over obstacles and stuff like that on your hiking trail. I definitely suggest this trail. I rate this trail a 4 out of 5. It's beautiful. It's maintained pretty well. Getting down to the waterfall, there is a trail to the left when you're going down that big hill. So that's not really something that stood out to me right away. Jocelyn took it on the way back, so that's why I would rate it a 4 out of 5. There is some trash and some food on the trail. I did pick up some of the trash, but I just want to remind everybody about the leave no trace principles. That means food also. Please do not leave food behind. The animals do not need your food. They do well enough on their own. So just keep that in mind when you're out here enjoying these beautiful, beautiful places. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. I'm going to be posting one new hike every week. I have a total of 52 hikes planned for the year to encourage people to sign up for the 52 hike challenge. I've also got 10 backpacking trips planned, 5 for the Las Vegas area and 5 throughout Nevada. I've also got some camping coming up, primitive campsites. I'm writing some guides, and there are some courses happening on the website. I am building those right now. The first course should come out by the end of January. Head on over to www.recreationoutsidelasvegas.com and see what's going on there. There's also a National Parks Pass giveaway happening right now for my YouTube subscribers. I will be announcing the winner on January 31st on Instagram and also in my end of the month video here on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, Diane Outside Las Vegas. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and share this with your friends. Thank you.